Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Poland. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to applying any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check whether you really need a visa, because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other countries' visa that you may or may not have, you may or may not need a visa. And when you determine that, and in order to go through the process, you should check the requirements as per the official entity of that country that covers your residential area. And because based on your residential area, there could be some additional documents, steps, and even fee also, right? For example, let's say you live in India, okay, and New Delhi, India, for example, you live. So what I have done, I have opened this Poland in India site. Here, they have this consular information. If you click here, they have information about visa, passport, and other things. So I'm gonna click on visas. Notice on visa procedure and appointment registration system, and then we have these. So we'll go for type C Schengen visa, but first this one. Okay. So first of all, they have notified that they are not someone who deal with intermediaries like external companies, travel agencies, employment agencies, visa agents. No, because only consulate is authorized to consider visa application and make decision. Okay. Now for national visa for work and studies, you need to register on e consulate website. This will cover in a different video, but for Schengen visa and other categories, VFS Global. Okay. So basically they have outsourced Schengen visa to this VFS Global. We'll go through that also. But before we go, we need to check where to apply. You need to can apply to V at VFS. Now, the embassy in Delhi accepts Schengen visa applicants or residents of these states. So you need to apply in person at visa application center. You mean at VFS. Book an appointment. So this you can do at VFS website. We'll go for that. Documents you need. Okay, that also we'll see. Health insurance of 30,000 euro. That's we see everywhere. I mean that's very common to all European countries that we see. Cost. This is again you have to go for VFS site. We'll go through that. Okay, so now we know that it is outsourced to VFS. Let's check the VFS. Okay. Okay, so apply for identify the visa type. This is important. Let's say Schengen tourist visa. Visa fee. So for short term in INR 8,005. Okay, plus there will be VFS fee. So this is completely non-refundable once you apply. There's some taxes too, and there are courier fee too. Now, visa fee can be waived if children under 6 year old, school student, postgrad student, okay. Researchers from third countries, okay. All right, so that's fine. And this you can pay in cash or card. So if you're taking cash, I would recommend that go with the exact amount based on your case so that there is no confusion about changes. Document required, checklist they have given. You need to put your name, passport number, contact number, email address, and you need to check. Passport, yes. Visa application form without blank signed by the applicant. One color photo, checklist. This is the checklist. Proof of internet transport and itinerary or return ticket, bookings and all. Travel medical insurance equivalent to 30,000 euros or more. Okay. Then name of insurance company, number, validity. For tourism statute, booking of appropriate document. Yeah, like hotel booking and all. Visiting family friend letters. Okay. For minor, there are other requirements. Accommodation, hotel booking, proof of financial means. 3 months bank statement, duly stamped and signed. Income tax acknowledgement for ITR return for past 2 assessment years. This is what I was saying, like based on your location, there could be additional documents or step. Okay. If you are employed, basically for last 3 months, self-employed, then similar documents, and then date place from the aware the fact that embassy consulate. Okay, application. Okay, fine. So this is date, place, applicant signature. This is for the inquiry officer date. Additional comment. Okay, fine. So this we know. Now let's go back. Photo specification given. Like a lot of good photographers can do this. Processing time 15 calendar days. Okay, application form. So this is very important. This form is free. So your photo, surname, name at birth, first name, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, other nationalities. If you're holding Indian nationality, then definitely you cannot have any other nationality because India does not allow dual nationality. Gender and these in pieces of information, anything like date of birth, place of birth, country should match with your passport. Parental authority, national identity number, where applicable. Type of travel document should by percent of family member who is European Union, EU or Switzerland citizen or UK national. Family relationship with citizen, okay. Applicant home and email address, phone number, residence country. So if you're an Indian and you're applying India, you will select no here. Current occupation, employer address, phone number. Okay. For student, educational, your institution establishment address. Purpose of journey, tourism, business, study, airport. Additional information on purpose of stay, member state main destination. Okay. First entry. In Schengen visas, these questions are often asked. Number of entries based on your case. Biometrics collected for Schengen visa, if ever, then provide that info. Entry permit of final destination, if applicable. This is required like when you go to uh, uh, another country. Okay, then you need to provide that information. Surname and first name of inviting person. If not applicable, name of hotel. Okay, how you're going to bear the cost that you need to provide. If someone else is filling this form, they need to provide the information. Place date and site. And then up to here we have gone for book an appointment. Okay. So how you go? When you come here for the very first time, you may not have an account. You need to click on book an appointment. So basically you need to put your email address, name, password, phone number. Then it sends you a one-time password also. With that, you can verify and get into this booking system and do a booking. Of course, I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to book a dummy appointment. And You need to go to that appointment and bring the application as we have gone through, submit it, and if everything gets through, you are all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.